What's up, guys? Brian Callahan Garage. Good morning. I'm a little tired. Probably shouldn't have been riding out on my motorcycle till like 12:30 last night. And it's now 6:15. I gotta get to work. But check this out. This is the wheel out of that old car. Um, I haven't even driven it yet since I put it in, so I don't even know. I mean, it might fall off, but it is. It's just I love it. It's bigger, yes. I don't have any power steering, so that's gonna help. But I just like the way it feels. I'm sure, yes, I can probably repaint it or recondition the whole thing to make it look nice, but we'll get to that. But first, let's see if this thing starts up. I mean, it's been doing pretty well. So we go with so let's do like 2 pumps. Let's see how well that does this morning. Oh, and thank y'all for watching, whoever is. All right, here we go. 1, 2. Yeah. Let me show you guys a picture of the steering wheel. If I can get it off. You know that's cool. It's out of that old woods car. I love it. Now I might need to actually get a horn in this car. Maybe it'll work. All right, let's head to work. All right, guys. Well, great ride to work. So I don't know what your wives or girlfriends or mistresses or whoever you got's been telling you. Size does matter. Um, this wheel, like I can literally whip in and out of gas stations. I was doing extra donuts this morning just because I could. Um, yeah, it's not perfect. I can feel a little more a little more of the wear in the steering box. But yeah, I love this thing. Like, yeah, size does matter. I mean, and considering this is the first time this wheel has been used in a car that actually is on the road since 1974, that's even cool too. I'm sure, I'll probably paint it or do something with it, but yeah, it's. I literally was looking at buying a power steering setup for this car, but even if I get used parts and do it, the Callahan cheap way, um, it's about $500. If I buy new parts and do all that, you're looking at about 1,500 to 2,000. But I don't think I even need power steering now. I mean, because this car was always really good, just driving on the road, even with a smaller wheel. But now, like literally, my wife could drive this around the parking lot and circle around. It's super easy, and it may not be cool. I know everybody wants a cool small wheel and some of that. It's cool to me. So again, thank you so much for watching, and remember, size does matter, and like and subscribe. Let me go to work.